Hello everyone, welcome to Ecos Cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a runbook in the accounts, automation accounts. I have created a automation accounts already named account one, and in this I'm going to create a runbook. So I can create a runbook. Before creating a runbook, we'll see what is a runbook. See, a runbook is a stored and managed. Runbooks are stored and managed in Azure Automation and then delivered to one or more designated hybrid worker computers. Okay, so it is stored and managed by Azure Automation and delivered to the worker computers. Okay, hybrid workers can be deployed as a cloud device which reaches back to the customer environment over VPN and or as an on-premise device which reaches back to Azure Automation over the internet. So what is this hybrid worker? So hybrid worker is the it can be a cloud device or it can be on-premise device which enables the customer environment over VPN, or it is an on-premise device which reaches back to the Azure Automation even ever the over the internet. Okay, so this is the runbook is the stored and runbooks are stored and managed in Azure Automations, and it is delivered to one or more designated hybrid worker computers. Okay, so what is the use of runbook? So why do we need to use the runbook in automation accounts? So starting a runbook in Azure Automation creates a job. It creates a job which is a single execution instance of the runbook. So in a runbook we can have one job. That job will executed through automation accounts. So each job accesses the Azure resources by making a connection to the Azure subscription. So whenever we create a job in the runbook, so whenever we create a job in a runbook, the job will access the Azure resources by making a connection to your Azure subscription. So this job can only access resources in your data center if those resources are accessible from the public cloud. So if you have any resources like private resources, those resources cannot be accessed by using this job cannot be accessed by this job. Okay, so now let us see how to create a runbook in automation accounts. And below the process automation you have the option called runbook. Just click create a runbook and give any name for your runbook. I'm giving it as runbook 1 and runbook type. See, here we have three types of runbook. One is PowerShell runbook and Python runbook. In Python itself we have Python 2 and Python 3 and graphical workbook. And moreover we have PowerShell workflow and graphical PowerShell workflow. So what are these are using PowerShell script that runbook is comes under the type PowerShell runbook. And whenever we use graphical, then that time graphical scripts, in that time the power runbook type will become graphical runbook type. Okay, so now I'm selecting PowerShell, and you can add any description to your runbook. So now I'm not going to add any description, just create. So this is how you have to create a runbook. So after this creating this runbook, you can go to overview. After creating this runbook, go to overview. So this is how your wait, I'll show you. So this is a runbook that you created. Now go inside the runbook, and this is how your runbook will be. It will appear like this, and